co-host for tonight.
Hindi ako makarecover. Sa 27, 28, 29, 30! Kinakabahan siya din. Ngayon lang ba niya ginawa yun?
Ginagawa niya dati, pero minsan nawawalay kasi. Ngayon, habi-habi.
Uy, ano, meron pa?
Meron pa din.
Ay, oh, sige.
Of course, every beauty pageant culminates in, the question and answer portion because this is a test of their intelligence. Candidate number 1, step forward, please.
Happy New Year. Good evening.
Yes, good evening. Do you want an easy or a difficult question?
Well, I may not be Miss Talent, but I'm so confident that this in prestigious competition, I'm the most intelligent candidate, so challenge me, Alan Kay.
I would love that. If you were the President of the Republic of the Philippines, what are the first 5 things that you will prioritize in order for you to alleviate the economic situation of the land?
Wow. Thank you so much for that very intellectual and very informative question. Keep it up. Thank you.
Candidate number 2, please.
I don't mind. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about you? Do you want an easy or a difficult question?
If we all started out with a difficult question, why won't we go on with another difficult question?
Oh, I would love this very much.
Yeah. Well, you too. I love you. Come on.
Explain the phenomenon that's called global warming.
What's that again?
Global warming.
Global warming. Ladies and gentlemen, cameramen, guests, monitors, and the band. Ever since I was a child, my father, I'm not done yet. My father, yes, my father, he taught me never ever talk to strangers. So since you're a stranger, I won't answer that question. Thank you very much.
Ano ba itong mga kandidata na ito na pwede sasagot ng tama? And finally, here's candidate number 3.
Sigawan.
Ha?
Ba't walang sumisigaw?
Hindi sila siguro nagagandahan masyado sa ito. Dapat kasi parinig mo yung talent mo din sa singing.
Ay, yes.
Alam mo dito uso sa amin yung mga nagre-request.
Yeah.
May nag-request ng If You Walk Away ni David Pomeranz.
Paano po ba yan?
If you walked away from me today, why I'm sure.
Hindi ganyan yan.
Hindi ba ganun yun?
Mataas yan. If you walk away from me today, tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan ka.
Ganun ba?
Alam ko rin yung bago na
May isa pa rin request dito na hindi rin namin nagawa.
Ano po yun?
If I Were a Boy ni Beyonce.
Sige nga po.
If I were a boy, I would...
Hindi ganyan yan.
Hindi na naman.
Linggo ng wika ngayon. If I were a boy, sa puso't di aboy ang silang.
Miss Talent ka
Ay,
talaga.
binago ko ngayon pyramid.
May pyramid ka? Parang, Charis Pempenko?
Bubay, paano ba yung pyramid?
Stone, never let away you shone. Maybe the love you grow.
Hindi ganyan.
Paano ba?
Pyramid, pyramid, stone, held like the love show. I still remember, I can see what's mine now.
Ang layo-layo naman ang pinuntahan.
Ay, kasi nung bata ako, ganyan ako, nililipat ang nanay ko yung channel. Pag nakikinig ako ng radyo, dati nakinig ako ng From This Moment. From this moment, shining in the sun, na gano'n. Nililipat.
Nililipat ng nanay mo?
Oo, dati nga nakikinig ako ng radyo, di December.
Christmas time.
Oh, pinatugtog yung clumsy. You got me tripping, oh tumbling, psh, Pasko, anong saya. Opo. Tsaka yung All My Life.
Pay the America.
Opo.
Ano?
All my life, the stars are brightly shining.
Sabi mo sa nanay mo, huwag pakialaman ang radyo niyo.
Ngayon nga, dun sa isang istasyon na lang.
Okay. Question and answer na tayo. Do you want easy or difficult?
Of course, easy. Difficult.
Difficult, are you sure?
Yes, I'm intelligent.
Walang S.
Ay, tatlo po kami.
Okay. So marami kayo intelligence. Okay. Your question. Please differentiate the El Nino from the El Nino phenomenon and its effect on human beings.
I need interpreter.
Oh, sa bagay, this is Miss Universe, ladies and gentlemen, so we need an interpreter for what language?
Chinese.
Chinese! Tomas!
We need concentration. Question?
Please differentiate La Nina from El Nino and the effects on human beings.
I need an interpreter.
You are the interpreter.
Ano ka ba?
Chinese.
Ha? Ching hao hao ha. Yang kêu hao cái gọi hao hao. Ha.
What did you say?
Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much.
I need another interpreter.
Oh no. For what language this time?
Arabic. Ay, Espanyol.
Dax Martin is a very good Spanish speaker.
Señorita?
Yes, Inday? Inday, pagluto mo ako ng maiinom, may pagtimpla mo ako ng makakain.
Perdóname, perdona. Regular, ha? Señorita,
Yes?
ni el canto de Pors. El cantor Murkamo Marhaba. Tsaka parang buwana. Tingnan mo ng haba ng lega, puro ugata. Sararate, sago.
What did you say?
Come again?
I need another interpreter. Yeah, Ilocano.
O sa bagay, linggo ng wika. Bubay! Bubay is Ilocano. Nadulas na pupunta ba sa show?
Kanina nalalaglag yun.
Ilocano. What's the question again?
Differentiate La Nina from El Nino.
Ilocano. Ante, ante. Nya ka na may bagam ni apong mo, napantog igaraw di kalman. Nagsakay ti basta palatinag. Nagtulot-tulatid ni apong mo. Tapta, napayatan 5 kalding. Dilikod na. Ay, kuna ni apong mo, kuna na, kuna na ay natay ni apong mo. Tapta, agawid ka na dito, nagigaraw to na bigaton, tay pumpundan, kaya't ni apong mo, isurot na ka dyan og tidaga. Tapos ka mo kanon. Pakita kilim. Ikatam. Mangibabain ka. Ngatom. Ala, ante. Pangot man. Ala, nagbangsit.
Your answer? What did she say?
Keep it up. Thank you.
Let's call back our 3 not so lovely candidates for this year's Miss Universe search.
Panakaya.
And our winner, Miss Universe 2010 is...
Kinakabahan ako.
Ha?
Ante.
None of the above. The winner is Mama Ratsi! Thank you very much, Bubay, Dax Martin, and Abigail.
Alam mo kung anong pinaka nakakatawang sinabi niya?
Ano?
Mariregular ako dito.
May show pa sila. Layas,
show pa
layas.
kayo.
Layas. Ha? 3 minutes na lang? Aba, gusto pa na exposure.
Hataw pa rin ang kasiyahan kasama nating lahat. Ang mga iba pang sorpresa sa
Correct!
pagbabalik